Would you buy this amazing waterfront home for $594,000? Yes, this amazing home in Oyster Bed Bridge is built using 4 shipping containers to create 1,240 square feet of habitable space with 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and a big open-plan living space sitting on 0.8 acre piece of land in a peaceful neighborhood with beautiful water views. The front door welcomes you into a cozy entrance lobby fitted with a coffee bar, the perfect way to welcome guests. From the lobby, you are welcomed into a delightful large open-plan living space, expertly fusing with whimsical design elements with opulent luxury. The living space is warmly lit by natural daylighting. It features comfy lounge chairs, a custom coffee table, and a television where you can enjoy watching your favorite shows. Off the living area is a stylish light-filled dining space fitted with a custom dining table that can seat 4. Next to the dining area is a spacious kitchen. The inspired bespoke kitchen space is fitted with sleek stainless steel appliances, ample storage, and granite countertops showcasing sophistication. In addition, the kitchen sink sits in front of a glass window that lights up the sink space and floods the kitchen with natural lighting, creating a luxurious ambience. From the dining area is a compact guest bathroom. This comfortable accommodation comprises of 3 generously proportioned bright bedrooms. Off the kitchen area lies a large primary bedroom with a full ensuite providing a private sanctuary for relaxation. This spacious primary bedroom features a comfortable double bed with minimal decorations to focus primarily on rest. It is adjoined with a modern bathroom fitted with a shower cubicle, a vanity, and a window that splashes the bathroom space with natural light. A wooden staircase connects to the second story of the building. From the staircase landing is an orange painted sliding barn door that opens into the second floor bathroom that serves the 2 bedrooms. It features a vanity with storage, a shower cubicle, a large mirror, and a charming porthole window that showers the bathroom space with natural light. Opposite the bathroom is the second bedroom, well lit by sizable glass windows with amazing views of the property. It is fitted with a king-size bed lined with a comfy set of pillows and custom-designed storage space with hangers. The versatile third bedroom, which has been set as a second lounge room, is spacious enough to accommodate a cozy double bed or bunk beds depending on need. The second floor is fitted with a glass door which opens to the outside so that you can enjoy the outdoors on the beautiful deck overlooking the large irregular treed lot with plenty of space for a pool. The floors are finished with vinyl flooring to give the house a sleek modern look. The good-sized windows open up the interior to the outdoors, creating a beautiful blend of an indoor-outdoor interaction. Apart from the conventional roof design, from outside there is no secret that this is a container house. The grooves of the raw container walls are visible throughout the exterior and are painted in a shade of blue, bringing out the industrial language of the design. The extensive deck space complements the outdoor kitchen, ideal for entertaining guests or for enjoying the breathtaking attractions and the rolling rural scenery. The solar panels are installed on the roof to provide power for the house. Which part of this amazing house appeals to you the most? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it. You are encouraged to subscribe to our YouTube channel where we showcase amazing weekly videos on shipping container living. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.